Moms, we wear many hats: caregivers, professionals, nurturers, and everything in between. But no matter how busy life gets, one thing remains constant: our love for feeding our families with delicious, healthy meals made with love. Welcome to this Mom Can, where we make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely satisfying. Today, we are whipping up a creamy, flavorful Alfredo pasta, which would have your family asking for seconds. Let's dive right in. I start by placing my saucepan on medium heat and adding a generous spoonful of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil isn't just a cooking fat, it's a powerhouse of healthy fats that boost metabolism, enhance brain function, and even support heart health. Plus, it adds a subtle, delicious aroma to our dish. Next, I toss in our chopped bacon. The key here is to let it sizzle and cook thoroughly until it's beautifully crisp. That crispy texture will add a fantastic contrast to our creamy pasta later. While that is cooking, I get my pasta on the fire, a pot of water, a pinch of salt, and it goes onto the pasta. The goal? To cook it al dente, firm to the bite. Not too soft, just perfect. This ensures our pasta holds up beautifully in the sauce. Back to my bacon. It's now wonderfully crispy, so I take it out and set it aside. But wait, we are not letting the flavorful bacon chews go to waste. Into the same pan, I add my chopped chicken, letting it soak up all that goodness. A little seasoning here, just the right balance to enhance the flavors, and I cook it thoroughly, allowing all the natural juices to be released. This step is crucial because well-seasoned chicken brings that extra depth of flavor to our dish. Now it's time to bring the bacon back. In it goes, followed by finely chopped onions and a hint of pepper for a slight kick. Oh, the aroma at this stage is just irresistible. Now my pasta has reached the perfect al dente stage, so I toss some of them into the sauce. But wait, I save a bit of that starchy pasta water. Why? Because adding a little pasta water helps bind the sauce, making it silky and smooth rather than heavy. So, in it goes, just a splash to work its magic. Time to bring it all together. I gently stir everything: chicken, bacon, pasta, all mixed into one glorious combination. A final touch of seasoning to get the flavors just right, and then comes the magic ingredient: double cream. This is where Alfredo pasta gets its signature creamy, velvety texture. As I stir it in, it coats every single bit, making it oh so luxurious. To finish off, I sprinkle in some fresh parsley, not just for the color, but for that fresh, slightly peppery note that balances the richness of the sauce beautifully. And just like that, our Alfredo pasta is ready to serve. Now look at that, creamy, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering. If you love quick, simple, and delicious meals like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite go-to comfort meal? Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, this Mom Can. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.